What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This video is on a lesson that I've learned over the years while trading, and I think it's very important that every trader actually incorporates this into their routine. The biggest mistake when starting out, or actually throughout your trading journey, is thinking about how much money you want to make. And the reason I say that is a person puts a false sense of perception and a false sense of hope in those results, causing you to over leverage, over trade, trade things that aren't even there, analysis paralysis, the list goes on and on. I'm a firm believer, and I've seen this in my own trading over the years, that you're not just trading GBP, JPY, you're trading the version of yourself that you are right now versus the person that you so badly want to be. Now that is filled with the perception that we see on social media of the cars, the lifestyle, the holidays, the money. Think about what that's trying to do to you. That then creates a false sense of security and a false sense of hope, causing you to overtrade, causing you to over leverage. That then creates a false sense of hope, a false sense of security, causing you to break your trading rules. If you really want trading to work, you have to trade like a robot. You have to create your trading plan. You have to follow that plan regardless of what is actually going on in the markets. My biggest lesson over the years and over the losses that I've taken has always been you're always risking a little bit more. You're always over trading on a position because of that one little thing at the back of your mind. My sort of takeaway from that is erase your mind. Create an environment where you're trading to get your trade right, and the rest will slowly but surely follow through. Personally, what I do is I have a trading plan that allows me to have a 3-strike rule. I have to take 3 trades this week. If I've had 3 consecutive losses at 0.5%, because that's what I risk per trade, then I need to understand that after those 3 trades, I'm done. There is no get rich quick mentality. There is no get rich quick scenario where you're going to go and risk your whole account on one trade purely because you have this picture and this image at the back of your head of the life that you actually want to live. Any trader that tells you otherwise is more than likely just trying to sell you on the dream, on something that they too can't even do themselves. Try and create an environment for yourself where you turn up to the markets, you follow your plan, you enter your trade, and you leave on that trading day regardless of the outcome. Whether you've had a win or a loss on that trading day, close your laptop for the rest of the day and actually go and enjoy yourself. Trading should not in any way, shape or form dictate your life. It shouldn't change your life. A person at the end of the day got into trading to change your life. Don't go ahead and change your life just to trade. I've personally seen thousands of traders over the years put themselves in a predicament in terms of their lifestyle, live a different life, live a lower quality of life just because they have to trade. Try and erase that from your mentality. There is no space for that kind of trading. You're not going to last, and it's an ugly road to go down. Be more realistic with what you want out of the markets. I say this to traders all the time. Imagine you had all your bills covered in one full month. That means your trading is self-sufficient. Imagine you just starting out and you had half of your rent payment just from trading. Imagine the stress that would take off your shoulders. Imagine with the cost of living rising right now, you got inflation through the roof. Your average groceries are going to be a lot more expensive. Imagine you just starting out trading with a £500 or £1,000 account, and all your goal to do is to make enough money to cover your food. Imagine having free food for a whole month. Everyone knows that one family member that's struggling. Imagine just making an extra $200 or an extra $300 or pounds a month to help that person. That is the kind of consistency that you need in your trading. Not to have a £1,000 account and think you're going to turn up to the Lamborghini dealership next week. That's not how this works. So my takeaway from all of this for you is to set realistic goals. Trade within your means, live within those means. Don't live outside of that, and don't trade outside of that, because that leads you to blow in accounts. That puts you in a predicament far worse off than you were before you even started trading. Always remind yourself why you started trading. Always reward yourself, no matter how big or small that reward may be. Another thing that keeps me in the loop with this is to constantly pay myself. Whether I have a weekly withdrawal or bi-weekly withdrawal, all this does for me is to make sure that I'm actually getting paid for the efforts and the work that I'm doing, but more importantly, I'm getting rewarded for staying disciplined. I highly recommend, if you're watching this right now, place your first withdrawal. It's quite a shocking number of traders that actually fund an account and never get to the withdrawal page. Make that your goal this week, this month, to click the withdrawal regardless of how much that withdrawal may be. Make it tangible for yourself. Withdraw some cash, buy something nice, take your family out to eat, take your girlfriend out to eat. Treat yourself, treat someone, take some money out the markets and show yourself that it is tangible. It's quite a hard industry to be in when you have nothing tangible and it's just numbers on a screen. Make life easier for yourself. Make trading easier for yourself and you're going to succeed overall. I want you all to start small and scale. Don't start big and fail. And I want you guys to remember that. Starting big and failing is far worse off than starting small and scaling. I want you all to remember that. It's such a key part of your trading journey to actually scale and trade bigger as you go. The whole methodology and mindset of quickly flipping an account to make quick money is not going to last. Nothing quick lasts. If you want your trading to last, you have to think about this in the long term. I want to ask you where you're going to be in 5 years, not where you're going to be next week, what car you're going to buy. That's the wrong methodology to have. I know this has been a very short video, but it's just my mindset around how I manage my money and my emotions and my expectations in the markets. I hope you all enjoyed that. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.